Hi, I'm going to present about apps and application. Next. Hello, I'm Giancarlo Florencio. I'm a fourth year medical technology. And these are the talking points that we're going to discuss. First, understanding apps and application. Next, we will talk about the second application, the program. After that, we will talk about web apps and local apps. And we will talk about the last is limitation. So now we will talk about this first, apps and application. So apps can be small, lightweight, touchscreen devices and application complex programs and mouse keyboard. So did you know in application program that they have different types of two types of program is word processing, create, edit, save, format, and print, documents, insert, pictures, examples, letters, memos, invoice, faxes, articles, and sometimes basic web pages. Use later, forms, and brochure or flyers. And for desktop publishing, large amounts of text, graphics, and layout or structure. And for spreadsheet, performs calculation, analyze data, produce graphs, charts, diagram. A good choice for tracking number and analyzing trends. Sort on, find, or filter information. And graphic design, image editing, create page layout, logos, branding, posters, billboards, website graphics, and more. And the web development, create a web page and sites, provide a WYSIWYG interface, developing mobile apps. And for video editing, manipulate video image, with sequence clips and transition and special effects and caption. And presentation, create slideshows, and like now we're using it in my presentation, insert text, images, sounds, and video, and add formatting charts, diagram, and tables, and add animation and transition. So there's a very interesting trivia that in the problem, we should think about the solution. So it's easy when you think very carefully. So I need to publishing a digital book. What application should I use? So for me, I recommend the graphic design, image editing, and web development. And the type of app store that people use today in different phone, Google Play Store or simply Play Store, App Store, Windows Store, App Store for Android via Amazon, BlackBerry World. So did you know in apps that they have web app and local apps? So for web app that mostly use are Google Drive, they run on the World Wide Wide, do not run directly on a device, are platform independent, sometimes referred to as software as a service. Store files in cloud, are accessed through cloud account, and local app installed or run directly a device are operating system specific. Most people use apps on tablets and smartphones. So productivity and communication apps, you can use them to create documents and other files or to communicate with others. For example, with Messenger, Line, Skype, and Line in Google Hangout. So in content apps are aggregate news and information used for your location information, your social media accounts, and track your online activity to bring information relevant to you. For example, the news for not Wikipedia and Fox News and Google and CNN. And what you see is that you have creativity apps, social media apps, audio apps, and video apps. So did you know in app purchases, have many app include options of in-app purchases, allow to access special things, unlock some features, turn off advertisement, obtain virtual money. So for the limitation, that advantage is full access to the device in the software and hardware enhance to your user experience. And for this advantage, different programming language and skills depending on operating system, high cost and lengthy development period. So here's my reference that I research. And thank you for listening to my presentation. Please follow me for my cat.